I'm Justin from RGBlink, excited to be here in Barcelona. If you're a casual streamer, you're in a pro streaming environment, an institution, if you're into pro AV, pro rental, if you're into pro broadcast, RGBlink, we've got you covered with a bunch of new solutions. Come along and have a look and see what we've got here for ISE 24 and what we're bringing to market for the start of 24. Okay, 2 years ago we introduced D8, a revolutionary first in video processing and scaling for HDMI 2.1 8K native signals. And last year we introduced the DisplayPort 1.4 version of the D8, and again enabling 8K native single cable solutions to be scaled and split to quad 4Ks for downstream post-production. This year at ISE we're introducing D8 Plus, which brings together both the HDMI 2.1 and the DisplayPort 1.4 into a single device and enables switching between those sources as you might expect, seamlessly and without tearing or any noise. Fantastic new solution, particularly given there's so many applications now reaching with the 8K as a source from those media applications. So here on D8 Plus, we've got the HDMI 2.1 and the DisplayPort 1.4 in. We've got those four HDMI 2.0 out, so 4K out. Each of those are resolution independent. So the split can be unequal for an 8K split to quad 4K if required, and that's available here in the menu. Here you can see the split options available. There's a number of presets to make that easy and straightforward for the common applications, but of course there's custom settings here as well. There's full EDI management available for 8K as well. And each of the two ports may be set independently for their up to UHD 8K configuration. Here's the Q16 range on display here, the standard models available from the 1U with the user interface on the front there, tactile interface, 2U, 4U and 8U together, really a whole family of commercial video wall controllers and display solutions, configurable with up to 8 layers on each output card. Quite a unique solution with the scaling available there across that range, and such a wide range of input and output options available to meet any video wall requirement. The RGBlink Mini range of switches continues to grow out. The family's grown from its Mini, the Mini Pro, which was of course very popular, the Mini MX, which we launched last year, and now Mini Edge. Mini Edge features many of the features you find in Mini MX, but with hardware buttons rather than touchscreen, allowing people in more sensitive environments to have the full control literally at the touch of a button. Great new product here, which will be available from in the next couple of months. And already the anticipation is building substantially because it's a great price point, another affordable option with full audio features available, similar to what you see on the Mini MX. Okay, let's get close up with the brand new Mini Edge. And we're showing here with a monitor, which of course you can use any LCD monitor. There's a number of these portable USB-C powered monitors available now, and of course we built the slot directly in here so you can place your monitor or your iPad conveniently to have that preview monitor. Familiar to Mini MX, Mini Pro users, you have the preview display there. On the device itself, we've got all the audio controls down the left-hand side, 4 HDMIs, a single microphone in, you've got your Bluetooth audio, and of course your monitoring. Across the bottom here we have our preview selections of the layers and sources, a program display of what we're outputting. Effects, presets, views, are all available directly from the front panel. Joystick controls and the zoom function available. You can record and go on ear similar to Mini MX. Of course, menu controls available there in a similar way, using the controls to move around the device. RGBlink ASK Nano sharing sticks have been extremely popular. And this year we go beyond 2K, of course, into 4K, which has been much requested. ASK Nano is available in 4K with two different sets. The traditional transmitter and receiver solution, along with a second solution with one transmitter and two receivers, allowing you to take your projection or your secondary display out to two displays. Very common situation in meeting rooms where you might have the dual displays application. And with many laptops now, or no longer featuring HDMI ports, rather featuring only USB-C ports, we have that covered too with ASK Nano USB-C for the transmit available also. While our ASK Nano sharing sticks are great for those portable applications, being literally plug and play, get a display or shared display anywhere, or multiple shared displays anywhere, there are those applications where wireless HDMI is needed to be installed and have some more sense of permanence from an infrastructure perspective. We're introducing ASK Plus to meet that demand, and there's already been a number of installations where we've tested and tried this solution, enabling displays that are not physically connected to the video source to indeed receive that HDMI video signal wirelessly, and allowing those displays to be portable in their own right, or rather be moving or animated. ASK Plus is a great solution for those creative fixed installations where a reliable HDMI wireless source is required. Well, it's always great to be here at ISE, and especially in Barcelona, of course. It's been a huge, big show for us, and with so many new products and great new solutions. From 8K, of course, through to streaming and sharing video. Again, we're content and video everywhere, scaling and processing solutions for every application, anywhere, anytime. Look forward to seeing you and seeing what you do with your RGBlink products.